According to latest media reports, a number of major purchases for the armed forces will be cleared in the coming weeks, which includes 25 advanced light helicopters Mark III for the Army Aviation Corps for 3,800 crore rupees from Hindustan Aeronautics, as well as 39 units of Russian Klub anti-ship cruise missiles and necessary equipment worth 1,735 crore rupees for the Indian Navy, 10 naval shipborne unmanned aerial systems to protect frontline warships, 125 units of DRDO-developed DR118 digital radar warning receivers for the Su-30 fighters of the Indian Air Force worth 1,000 crore rupees, and the purchase of 6 lakh Russian AK-203 rifles that will be made indigenously by Indo-Russian Rifles Private Limited for 5,100 crore rupees. The Indian Navy has released a request for information to procure or lease 4 mine countermeasure vessels from a foreign shipyard that is backed and funded by its government, which would offer sovereign guarantee through government-to-government agreement. The delivery of the first vessel must happen in 10 months of signing the contract. That will be followed by delivery of remaining 3 vessels every 4 months. The Indian Navy is also open for the purchase or lease of in-service or decommissioned minesweeper, which can be retrofitted to Indian Navy requirements. The Indian Navy has said that the 2 aircraft lifts on the INS Vikrant are big enough to fit the MiG-29K and can even accommodate Rafale-M that has unfoldable wings, and all future assets including stealth unmanned combat aerial vehicle that the Navy plans to deploy in the coming years. The upcoming TEDBF will also not have issues even operating from INS Vikrant that was originally planned to be used only with the MiG-29K. The Navy has not provided official dimensions of the lift, but it is estimated to be around 16.5 meters by 11.20 meters, and the lift of INS Vikrant is perfect for almost all deck-based fighters, except the 21.2-meter-long Russian Su-30. At a time when the Indian Army's Northern Command is looking to modify its AK-47 rifles for counter-terror operations, an Indian private sector firm Evitar Systems Private Limited that has a joint venture with the CAA Industries of Israel will showcase its upgrade kit for AK-47, M4 and MP5 carbines at the International Police Expo in Delhi on 18 August. The AK upgrade kit will transform the existing rifle by adding a 5-sided hot-forged Picatinny handguard, a collapsible buttstock with cheek rest, an ergonomic foregrip, a helium flashlight and other cutting-edge accessories that will significantly improve performance in modern battle scenarios. The Indian Army Vice Chief Lieutenant General C.P. Mohanty has left for the US, and the aim of the visit is to enhance military cooperation between the two countries and explore future avenues for military-to-military defense partnership. Apart from meeting senior US military leadership, he will also visit the Program Executive Office Soldier and witness innovations in close combat squads, soldier survivability, soldier lethality, soldier maneuver and precision targeting and integrated visual augmentation system.
Omar dropped it.